So let us do one more example. One end of a uniform rod is attached to a hinge. A hinge is given, say A at A point. A rod is attached at this hinge and the other end is supported by a string. Other end B is supported by string and the rod and the string are inclined at the same angle theta to the horizontal. Means हमें इस string को भी A के लेवल पर ही अटैच करना है. Both are making same angle given in the statement. Both are making same angle. Now W is the weight of rod and since rod is uniform, so weight will act at middle point, say at G point. This is our weight. And since this spring is supporting weight W, so there comes tension in the string T in opposite direction because weight is here, so tension will be in that direction. Now show that reaction at hinge, we have to find reaction at hinge and tension of the string. R and T, we have to find these two. Now we can do this question by first method also because we have two forces already, W and T, and to draw reaction at hinge here. Since reaction is at hinge, so it will be adjustable. We'll produce T here backward and where W and T will intersect, will pass reaction at the same point. But I am doing this question here by second method. So in place of drawing R, let us consider its components X and Y. And we'll draw X and Y in place of R. Because we can find then R square equal to X square plus Y square. So now we have four forces X, Y, W and T. We'll use conditions of equilibrium, capital X0, capital Y0 and capital G0. So first capital X0 means all the components along X-axis. What is component of Y along X-axis? 0. Because ये Y के along है, जो Y के along है उनका X के along कोई component नहीं लेना. So component of X is X. Component of W along X is 0 again because it is along Y. Now component of T along X-axis will be T cos theta. और इसका Y के along हो जाएगा T sin theta. So here I am taking T का component X के along T cos theta and both are 0 first. Now we will take component along Y axis. Y minus W because it is in downward direction and we have to take in upward direction. So minus W और T का component T sin theta is equal to 0. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. Second is also done. Now third, moment. We will take here moment about point A because at point A, X and Y both are passing, and if we are taking moment about A, then moment about A, then moment of X and Y will be 0. So taking moment of all the forces about point A, X का moment 0 because इसका distance 0 है, Y का moment 0 because इसका distance भी 0 है. What is moment of W and T? W के लिए हम W को पीछे प्रोड्यूस कर लेते हैं. So W का distance A से perpendicular distance is AM. तो W का moment इसको रब करेंगे क्योंकि 0 है. W का moment W into AM. And since W is here in downward direction, so it will be clockwise. So it is negative. T का मोमेंट A के अबाउट लेने के लिए A से T के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे. This one AN. A से T का परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. So moment will be T into AN. Now it is like this, anti-clockwise, so it will be positive and both 0. The third point is also done. Now what is AM? See, this AM is AG into cos theta. Say total length of road is 2A. Let this total length is 2A, so AG is A. So AM is A into cos theta. Now what is AN? AN. For that we require this angle. This is theta, so it will be 180 minus 2 theta, and if it is 180 minus 2 theta, then it will be 2 theta. So AN is AB, that is 2A into sine 2 theta. 2A into sine 2 theta. So we have this third equation also, and now you can easily simplify this. After simplifying, you will get tension T in terms of W, this one. And after substituting value of T here in equation number 1 and equation number 2, you will get X and Y. And if we have X and Y, then we can calculate R square is equal to X square plus Y square easily, and you will get R is equal to W by 4 under root of 8 plus cosecant square theta. So we have reaction at hinge and tension also. Thank you.